All right, tell the people what you just done. Or tell them.
This is
My swag.
the Popeyes chicken sandwich at the house because it's fresher,
I think more fresh.
it's cheaper, and it tastes better.
All right, so today, Kay is making it happen. I already got the fries ready.
Yeah.
So you lift it up, let it drip, so get a good grasp on
It's
it.
gonna be spicy. You said let it drip.
Yeah, get a good grasp on it. Just you gotta be patient. Patience is the virtue. We gotta taste the fries. Just Louis, you wanna taste the fry?
Wait, what?
Stand up. Come here. Stand up. Here. Put one.
Okay.
All right. Drop it in the flour. Pat it. Let it. Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. Pat it, flip it. Now grab some flour and sprinkle it. You can drop it on there, be generous.
Dab of ranch.
Flip it again. You just want to make sure it's all coated.
I know how to fry chicken.
Do you?
Yes,
She ain't fried chicken.
we don't eat fried chicken.
She ain't fried no chicken since we've been married. Or you eating.
Yes, I did.
We're talking.
I fried those Chick-fil-A nuggets.
Oh, okay. She gonna hold on to that.
I did.
All right, shake it on. Mine fried chicken.
Right.
I'm gonna go sit down. Cause she know I fried chicken.
Wait.
Who got it?
No. Come back. I don't like no crevices left.
That's cool. That's fine.
What's fine?
Having just a little crevices left. Now shake it off a little bit.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake your
Don't drop that
booty.
thing.
Can't splash.
Yeah, you know, that's what I'm saying. Don't drop it. Now get your next one.
Drop it like it's hot.
Let it drip. Let it drip on your lips. I ain't snapping that chew. I ain't snapping that chew. Now I'm snapping that chew. Oh, stand up, Louis. Let the people see you. Come here, fat daddy. Stand up. Ooh, say what's up. Say what's up to the folk in there.
I'm gonna rather do some sit with her.
Huh?
Yeah, how long y'all make down and sit?
It's a visual thing. Probably about 6-7 minutes though.
Shoulder kind of big. Drop this here for me.
Yeah, drop it in there. Set it, but don't forget it. Let's see what it's looking like up in there. Working.
I'm hungry.
What you say?
I'm hungry.
Look at these camera angles, boy. You working. Feel like I need an Emmy or something.
What are buns?
Turn around. Right there.
Why did I really turn around?
There them buns is underneath that shirt. You got that big old shirt on. Let me see that kitchen, girl.
What a bun.
This ain't the only kitchen that's popping. Come on, somebody.
Remember I used to mess with you about my kitchen? Your kitchen.
We don't need to know nothing about my kitchen.
Kitchen. 6:30 in your kitchen. I'm excited. Let me not get popped out of grease. But I'm hungry.
Hey, what you doing with that booty in the kitchen?
The booty goes wherever I go.
You was working out yesterday all hard and stuff.
I was in there like this. Not with the clown shoes on though.
So we need to put the buns in the air fryer.
Put my fries in the microwave. I don't want to get cold. Like, sit the plate like that.
Half and half. That's how we're supposed to do as a people. We're supposed to stick together. These fries know what these people are. I just put both of them.
No, I mean like those.
Yeah. I wanna go to the movies, man.
Let's go to the movies. We can go see Doctor Strange.
I was about to say, is Doctor Strange still out?
Yeah.
We just went live. Like 3. Louis' son, you still got food, what? Let's introduce him to Louis Lou. Louis Lou, what you got to say to the folks, son? All right? You camera shy? Louis, what's up? Say what's up to the people.
He's smiling.
Hey.
He smiled. I didn't say speak.
That's speak.
Okay.
Speak. There you go. Come here. Okay. Show him your room. Come here. Come show him that's your kitchen.
Let me say welcome to my crib.
Welcome to this your corner. You showing them your corner. Okay, fat. What about your toy? Show him your toy. Okay, fat. Is that where your blanket usually is when it's not in the washing machine? Did you get a bath today? Tell him you fresh. Ain't nobody fresh as me. I'm just so fresh. Okay.
I'm trying to get my food.
So fresh and so clean. Let's take a family photo, Louis. Come on. We can take a screenshot of the video. Why you looking like you at prom, girl?
Louis, come up here.
Come here, fat. Sit.
But that way.
Sit. Look that way.
Turn around.
Okay.
Knew that was coming.
Come here, stand up.
No. Sit right here. Sit.
Sit down. Good
There
boy.
we go.
Look.
Now look. Turn your head.
Look back. Man.
Stink. No. I'm giving the fries away.
Look, fat. Uh-oh.
That'd be putting a fry up there as a prop.
Come here, fat. Sit down. The fry is over there. Okay, stand up. Okay.
You suck at this, bro.
Come on, sit down. Turn the other way. Turn the other cheek.
Now sit. Sit in front of me, though.
Sit. Come on, let's just take the picture. Alright. You trash.
All right.
Yep, I'm ready.
I'm gonna flip this over. I'm gonna let it do what it do, baby.
Almost ready.
It's almost ready. Almost there. Almost there.
Alright. Bucket, I made it.
I made another soap thing for the shower.
Huh?
I made another, like, soap box. It was on the shower.
Oh.
It was in the trash can. But I'm good at that.
When did you start making soap?
I get excited. I get out the shower. I be like, oh, what's in here?
It's almost ready. So, I washed this.
Freeze that salmonella off there.
Right? Uh-oh. Spaghetti. Hey, babe, that was real petty.
Get out my kitchen with that. Get. That's why I said it.
What'd you say? You are cold, bro. Woman storm, boy. I think it's strange that my doctor
Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away.
I'm your favorite rapper. Alright, let's get that first joint. Look at that. Nice and crisp. Uh-oh, let me get in here. Cameraman, look at that. Let me show me that. Ooh-wee. That joint nice and crispy, looking like KFC or something. Watch yourself.
Underlay, mommy. Yeah. This one by doing too.
Yeah. Look at that.
This that real KFC.
Look at
not
that beaut.
Not that fake stuff.
It's a beaut. Man. If I wasn't a vegan, I'd eat both of them. No. All right, now next step.
Dress it up, make it real for me.
Make them BUNs. Dress it up and make it real for me. Whipping up the babies. Don't hurt nobody.
Burn. A lot of sauce on mine. You know what I'm saying? Gravy.
And you dress top and bottom.
I know.
All right.
I say I like a lot of sauce.
Oh, okay. Well, bless your heart.
Must be hot.
Still ain't got no Ziploc bags.
What do you keep saying? Tomorrow.
That's what I was gonna say today.
You want one of that or no?
Hmm?
That's what your mama used to say whenever you didn't want when she cooked. Be that hungry.
You right. I'm not that hungry to eat that food. You right. You got me.
Dress it up and make it real food.
Was it fake before? Questions we need answers to. If I don't dress it up, yeah, that's good. Is it not real?
Put your initial in there. I can put your initial in there.
Oh, wow. Muchas gracias. Muchas grab your ass.
What?
Muchas grab your ass. You're so thoughtful. You want regular pickles or sweet heat
I
pickles?
feel like you got more sauce than me.
I don't. Huh?
Which one was had yesterday?
Regular.
Regular. They was on the bottom.
Yeah.
No, that's the bottom.
I know, but I don't remember. So there you go. Just in case.
Extra gravy.
No gravy in this recipe. What the?
Noted.
These boys.
You just don't think your finger up in there like that.
This is my house. This is my daddy's house.
I'm running some sauce big time.
Boy,
Boy, you better ask somebody.
if you ever come over my house and eat pickles, just know my fingers was in the jar. But I wash my hands though. At least I think I remember the last time.
We.
I'm not gonna yell, right though. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee, hold on.
Turn the grease off.
Yeah, turn that grease off. Unless you want a hot spy. Look at that. Baby, come press this picture thing at the top right corner. Okay, that's
Wait, did it take it?
Yeah, it took.
It took.
All right, tell the people what you just done. Or tell them
This is
my swag.
the Popeyes chicken sandwich at the house because it's fresher,
I think more fresh.
it's cheaper, and it tastes better.
Uh-huh.
So we eat Popeyes at home with Chick-fil-A waffle fries, but it's not Chick-fil-A.
And Polynesian sauce.
And Polynesian sauce. That part is Chick-fil-A. So here we go. I'm gonna add a little more sauce to mine.
Throw a peace sign to the folk now.